we wanted to let you know how much we enjoyed working with Mike Byers and his team as they helped us plan how we were going to change the inside of our home. And we worked with Mike to develop a long-term plan to paint a number of different rooms, to really modernize the look of our home, and to touch up some areas that needed some help after a while of aging.
I really liked the fact that Mike assisted me with color choices, and I talked even about some accents. I wanted a little bit of drama, and then some subtle pops of color, and Mike guided me with that. Mike's team is outstanding. They are so respectful and so efficient and focused. They worked in the home while I worked from home. So I'm a telecommuter, and they were working in another room and did not disturb me. So just a wonderful experience with that team and their detail oriented work.
Yeah, one of my major takeaways from working with Mike is if you want to have someone help you out who is going to be on time, on budget, to a high degree of quality, Mike Byers is definitely your guy.
Well, we've appreciated working with you guys. We basically did your entire house, didn't we?
You did.
Top to bottom. Well, it was fun to be able to work with you guys on colors and kind of scheming things out, and even to have your kids participate in having different colors in their rooms. I thought that was kind of cool.
Great.
So,
and you painted over cabinets even for us.
Yes, and that's always fun. Give you guys that updated look. So somewhere down the road, when you guys decide to sell the house, you feel like it's going to be in good shape.
Absolutely.
Cool. So it sounds like you guys are willing to give Cornerstone a thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Without a doubt.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much. You guys have been a pleasure to work with, and we look forward to being able to spend some time with you guys on a personal level here.
Thanks so much, Mike.
Oh, my
Thank you.
pleasure. Thank you.